Hi guys, nothing tastes as good as being healthy, right? So in my previous episode, you saw how did I lose weight, okay? Now in this episode, we will be talking about the calorie density in the foods. So now what is this calorie density? Calorie density is the amount of calories present in a given weight of food. For example, this cucumber is 100 grams and this oil here is also 100 grams, but the calories in this cucumber is only 15 calories and the calories in this oil is 880 calories. So now you see how dense it is in calories. Okay, so guys, everybody eats some amount of food every day. Now you must be wondering how many kgs of food should my body get every day. So on an average, one person should consume 1.8 kgs of food every day. Okay, now if he is consuming this, guys, how many calories is he getting inside his body? But guys, if you are having this 1.8 kgs of fruits and vegetables type of food, then the calorie intake will be much lower, right? So basically, now you must be wondering that water over here has 0 calories. So why not fill your tummy with water? The reason is the water, as soon as you drink, it passes, leaving you hungry again, right? So but if you mix water with other foods, then you will feel more satiated. For example, if you mix water with soups or lentils, or there is already water in many fruits and vegetables like cucumbers, like watermelons, like melons, like grapes, like tomatoes. If you consume all of this, the food and the water, so the water is around 80 to 90% in these foods, so you will be consuming these foods along with water and that will keep you satiated. But drinking only water alone will not keep you satiated. But I don't say that don't drink water. Drinking water at least 3 to 4 liters a day is very healthy. So please have a lot of water, not to fill your tummy but to keep you hydrated. So guys, as you can see this chart of 500 calorie of different foods. So the oil has satiated your tummy only this much, like there is so much more capacity you can eat. Then cheese has filled your tummy a little more, but only that much. Meat and animal products have filled your tummy only half. But when you come on to the plant-based foods, which are potatoes, beans, lentils, or even legumes, it fills your tummy almost 75%. Fruits and vegetables are the foods which satiate your tummy 100% on only 500 calories, guys. So like I wanted to even tell you that there are some foods like cashews or nuts or avocados which are highly dense in calories, but they are still in the plant-based diet. This was just an information to give you. So when you are on a weight loss journey or something, you can avoid these foods on a plant-based diets and stick to mostly pulses and lentils and fruits and vegetables and rice, okay, and wheat grains. And I will also be putting up a chart where you will be able to see that which foods have how much caloric density to refer for your future. So I hope this video is really helpful to you, and if you want more such videos, stay tuned for my next video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are liking my informative videos. Bye bye, take care.